All right, we are on 2.5, dividing by two-digit numbers. Remember that if I'm writing, you should also be writing during this time. So we're on page 82. Please hit 82 of your book out and take notes with me. So we're on the top of page 82 here. It says use different methods to divide by 10. So one of the methods, I'm just going to say M1 for method 1, is 180, excuse me, not 18, 180 divided by 20. So I've kind of taught you guys this before. If you cross those out, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Boom, your answer is 9, right? The other method, call this method 2, 180 divided by 20. 20 goes into 180. Well, you got to think. It's similar ways because you think about hey, there's these zeros up here, but since there's one extra zero here and one extra zero here, it's still going to be 9 times. So 20 times 9, and you can even do, hey, 20 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. Look, you can see the answer is 180. 9 times 120 is 180. Subtract 0. Boom. There's your answer, right? Get the same one either way. However, sometimes we get remainders. You guys remember what remainders are? They're when you have extra numbers down here. So not a zero, extra numbers down here, then you put whatever that number is right here. So you put remainder there. So when you have remainders, this method does not work out so well. So we want to try to do this method a little bit more. So let's look at some examples for that. So they have the example 180 divided by 40. So with this, you cannot just say, hey, I'm going to cancel those out because 18 divided by 4, well, if you do 18 divided by 4, you're going to get 4 goes in 18. How many times? 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16, and you get 2. So your remainder is 2, right? Well, actually, wrong. That is not the answer, and I will show you why it is not the answer. Let's do this one in a different color here. So if we do the second method, remember that's the one that actually you're supposed to do for these, 180 divided by 40. Think 40 goes into 180. By the same way of thinking about it, it's 4. 4 times 40. You can do 40 times, whoops, times, not dividing, times 4. 4 times 0, 4, 16. So you get 160. Subtract, and you have 20. So your remainder is 20. So this is the correct answer. This is the wrong way of doing it. This works when it works out nice and evenly, but if you have a remainder, like here, then it's going to give you the wrong answer because this extra zeros, these extra zeros here they cancel each other out, but you kind of see that they pop up in the remainder here. So this was 4, remainder 2, but it was missing this extra 0 right here that it needed because we got rid of these zeros here. So especially if you know that it doesn't go in exactly, you're going to want to use this method, method 2. So let's look on guided practice here. We'll do numbers 1 and 3 on the bottom of page 82. So number 1 we'll do on that side. Number 3 we'll do on this side. So number 1, 240 divided by 80. Remember, this method works out both ways. We're just going to do it this way. So 8 goes into 24 3 times. So 80 is going to go into 240 3 times. 3 times 80, 240. Hey, look at that. It worked out right away, and we didn't get to do the cancel out method, but we still got the right answer. So that's why we're looking back and trying to do it this way.